Me just a say, you see? When Father's Day come, only Haberdashery store open and like a Chinese store, they sell like glass cup and then sitting there. Like up at ATL, you could have get a nice it's an open. And over Toyota Jamaica with fresh Hilux and the 2027 RAV4 then come down and see them place an open again. I don't want a cup. Me don't want a cup. You get to me and say, yeah, all of these places open, so I don't understand why only Haberdashery. I don't understand. Me don't get it. Don't think me drinky. No, me don't want no more cup. Me don't want no cup. And me don't want no mug. No beer mug looking nothing. Like what they sell beer in our foreign. Me don't want it. Find one of them places where they sell car. Only if I care about the place. And buy me a new vehicle. How can I say this? Every time Father's Day come, card and cup. Me don't want no cup, man. Me don't want no cup. Me don't want no cup. And nobody give me nothing. Tell me happy Father's Day and make me go on. You get what I say? Me don't like you, man. You don't look good. And the mothers, them mothers see them thing how you said. And all over the place. Why I fly gone and carry. Gone all over the place. And then when you look Father's Day come, you get one cup. No, don't give me no cup. Me no short a cup. Yeah, thanks.